Hey everyone, is your Keurig not dispensing a full cup of coffee? Yeah, that's super annoying. In this full guide, I'll show you step by step how to fix it so every brew fills the cup completely. First, make sure the water reservoir is full and properly seated. Uh, Even a slight misalignment can prevent the machine from drawing enough water. Next, run a water-only cycle without a K-cup. This helps flush out air bubbles and clears any blockages in the water line. Make sure you've selected the right cup size. Yeah, sometimes it's set to a smaller brew, which explains why your cup isn't full. Check the puncture needle and K-cup holder for clogs. Coffee grounds or debris can block proper water flow, so clean them carefully with a paperclip or Keurig tool. Mineral buildup inside the machine can reduce water flow. Use a descaling solution or vinegar water mix and run multiple water-only cycles to remove deposits. Air bubbles in the water line can also cause underfilled cups. Remove the reservoir, fill it again, and tap the sides gently to release trapped air. Finally, place a K-cup and brew a cup. It should now fill completely without interruptions or spluttering. And that's it, and the fastest way to fix a Keurig that's not dispensing a full cup. If this helped, go ahead and like the video. And yeah, subscribe for more coffee tips and hacks. Hey everyone.